Hello, welcome to another video on this channel. Before I continue with what I'm going to show you today, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and click on bell. That's whenever I posted another video, you will see it directly. So today I'm going to show you how to cancel your AdSense account. Sometimes you may apply for AdSense account 2 times without knowing that the AdSense only allow one AdSense account per person. So for you to cancel that AdSense account, here is the process that you will follow. As you can see here, there is no place to go to cancel that account. So all you have to do is click on your icon here. So then you click under it, that is where it's written my account, like this. It's loading. It's loading now. So after open this page, then you continue here, that choose this where payment and subscription is written, like this. Click here. Is loading. Please wait for a few seconds to open. Yeah, this is it. Then you will continue and click on this GPay. Is loading again. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel and click the like button. Then you, after open this page again, then you go and continue, click on these 3 lines, that is your dashboard. Click on it. It's loading. Then it will show you these 4 options: subscriptions and services, payments, method, address, and other things. As you can see, here is loading again. I want to show you my account details. So here is my account details, but I have another account. I want to cancel this one so that will allow AdSense to review my other accounts. So after this, come back here and click the last here, that is where settings is written. Click on it. Wait for a few seconds to open. Then go to the bottom of this page. This is it. Then you click on this close payment profile. This is where you cancel your AdSense account. It's loading again. Wait for a few seconds to open. After open this, it will show you these details. After closing your account, your profile, you will immediately lose the ability of so things. So don't consider with anything here they are showing you. Just click on this tab, that pop-up tab. Choose the reasons why you want to close your account. For me, I will choose this one. I don't need this profile anymore. I will click on this. Then I come back here and continue, and click on continue. That is continue. Close payment profile. Yes, click on it again. Now I have closed my AdSense account completely. There is no, now as you can see, I have already accepted an email that is saying that your AdSense account has been closed. You have closed your AdSense, you have closed your Google payment AdSense profile. Thank you for watching my video. Please click on subscribe.